And Mr. Rucker,
Yes, ma'am.
on Lauren Dean,
Yes.
it would be as charged. That would be the offer.
All
Or
right.
if she goes and takes a driver improvement course.
What's the
And
charge?
then we come back, then we revisit it.
What's the original charge? I don't see it right quick.
Leave the scene of an
Oh,
accident.
okay. I really seeing that now. Okay. All right.
Yep.
Let me pull out this last one. Okay, I'll let her know.
I think she's here. She's already in there. She got it. So,
She's already on the screen.
go ahead, Mr. Pepper.
36, gets recorded. Back in session with Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, or reading, talking, sleeping, walking around, or driving. When your name is called, please unmute your devices and give your full and undivided attention to the court. Once again, good afternoon, Your Honor.
All right, this is Ms. Dean's case. This is the people versus Lauren Dean. I had it. Ticket number SP 1315338, count 1, lead scene of accident, property damage. Ticket number count 2, drive while unlicensed, and count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Tyrone Ruck on behalf of Ms. Lauren Dean.
Please say your name.
Lauren Dean.
All right.
Ms. Dean, you heard the offer that was made, correct?
Oh, yes.
Yes, but I have a question about the first part that she said. She said I can take a class
driving
or something.
improvement class. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and then I didn't hear the first part. The phone was breaking up.
You take the class and then they can revisit it. You come back another day. Basically what they're saying is you would have to plead to everything right now. However, if you take this course in an effort to improve your driving, they can revisit and perhaps make you an offer where you wouldn't have to plead to all the charges.
Okay,
So what would you like to do, ma'am?
I'd like to take the class.
Okay, thank you.
So I'm gonna give you a date of January 19th at 8:35. We're just gonna adjourn your case. And I can give you a phone number where you can call and they can give you the resources to set up the class. It's 313-965-3141.
And you said January the 18th?
19th.
Oh, the 19th. At 8:30. Okay.
All right, and then this is the people versus. Oh, any other questions, Mr. Dean?
No, that's all.
Okay, so you're all set. Have a good holiday, ma'am.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is the people versus Jesse Robinson, ticket number P1365240, count 1, driver license suspended, count 2, improper plates. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Tyrone Ruck on behalf of Mr. Jesse Robinson. Mr. Robinson, state your name.
Jesse Robinson.
Your Honor, we have pre-tried this case. My client would like to take advantage of the proposed plea whereby he would be pleading to improper plates. Is that your understanding, Mr. Robinson?
Yes, sir.
All right, raise your right hand, Mr. Robinson. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Rucker in private about your case and your rights.
Yes, ma'am.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to direct your attention to June 17, 2022 at 7:28 p.m. on that date and time. Were you at or near Davidson and Mound in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And were you driving a 2010 Chrysler vehicle?
Yes.
And were you driving, oh, I'm sorry, were the plates in that vehicle improper?
Yes.
You're satisfied, Mr. Rucker?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Then you stipulated probable cause, that's the count 1 to be dismissed without prejudice.
So stipulate.
Count one dismissed without prejudice will proceed to sentencing. There's a $200 fine, Mr. Robinson. Can you have that fine paid by January 17th?
17th. I probably, yes, I could. Yeah.
That's okay. We'll do February 14th.
Okay, perfect. No, I definitely could for sure.
Any questions, sir?
No, ma'am.
All right, you're all set. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
This is the people versus Ramel. David, ticket number is U637-09122. Count one, parental responsibility. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Tyrone Ruck on behalf of Mr. Ramel Davis. Mr. Davis, state your name.
Ramel Davis.
Your Honor, I've had opportunity to review this case with my client. As such, he will be requesting a bench trial. Is that correct, Mr. Davis?
Yes.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Davis. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand you have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Yes.
The court's going to continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial date on January 19th at 9 o'clock.
Yes.
That's it, sir. You're all set. Did you have any questions?
You said 9 o'clock?
Yes, January 19th at 9 o'clock.
Okay. No questions.
All right, you're all set. Good luck to you. Have a good holiday, Mr. Davis.
All right, you too.
Thank you. Mr. Siroki, you ready?
Yes, Your Honor. Defendant is going to take a plea. I had a lot of help with the police report. That was a lot of help to me in talking to the witness. We need to bring them out of the breakout room.
And our officers too. Thank you.
All right, this is the people versus Michael DeBlair, ticket number Z808717. Count one, operating while intoxicated. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with the people.
Tamika Horn, Your Honor, on behalf of the people, P70303.
Officers,
Thank you. Corporal Wheeler. Officer Benka. Guys, please say your names for the record.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Oh, Corporal Wheeler 5092.
Officer Benka, you want to say your name for the record? Ms.
Hold on,
Eagle,
I can I
we're
think you
fine.
might.
We can,
You want to say your name for the record? Ms. Eagle, you want to say your name?
Karen Eagle.
Alan Soroki, P37441, appear on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor. Mr. DeBlair, please state your name for the record.
Michael DeBlair.
Your Honor, Mr. DeBlair wishes to accept the offer of prosecution in this matter to operating while visibly impaired.
All right, raise your right hand, Mr. DeClaire. Oh, Officer Baker, go ahead and say your name.
Officer Matthew Becker.
Thank you. Raise your right hand, Mr. DeBlair. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Soroki in private about your case and your right.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
You're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of. Where's time trying to read? July 3rd, 2022. Were you at or near the location of Ashland Street in the city of Detroit, 489 Ashland Street?
Yes, ma'am.
Were you driving? Were you driving a vehicle? A motor vehicle?
Yes,
A Lincoln vehicle? Black Lincoln?
yes,
And were you operating that vehicle while intoxicated?
yes, Your Honor.
You were under the influence of alcohol, liquor, or a controlled substance?
I was, Your Honor.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, the court is also satisfied with the factual basis will amend the count to operating while visibly impaired. We need to set a sentencing date, which I think needs to be about 2 months from this date, because you need to do a pre-sentence report. So we will come back on we'll do February 14th at 8:35 for sentencing. You got a pen? I'm gonna give you a phone number because you need to call probation.
Okay,
Ready?
ready.
All right, that phone number is 313-965-3141.
9653141.
That's it.
And why am I calling them?
You
Probation.
gotta do a pre-sentence report. They're gonna they're gonna do an evaluation to aid the court in sentencing.
Okay,
Was there anything further?
nope.
All right, so you're all set. Thank you, Officer Corporal Wheeler, Officer Benka, Ms. Eagle, Mr. DeBlair. You, everyone have a good holiday. Good luck to you, Mr. DeBlair.
You as well.